start to talk about the steering systems. And we have I mentioned really 3 types of a steering system: mechanical, hydraulic, electrohydraulic, or electrical. Some both they have electric steering systems. Maybe we check the mechanical. You can see here in the bottom this system with a cable, and the cable enter in a gear, and the cable goes up or down. You see, up or down, and that cable is activated here. And look, with the cable in the other end, I move that actuator. That system is completely mechanical with a cable, with a chain. This is not hydraulic. For that reason, it's a little hard. You need man like me, no? That's mechanical. No, Mr. Lopez, I prefer instead of that mechanical system with gears, can you install a hydraulic pump here? Yes, my friend. I can install one. Look at this. This is the pump. This is the pump. This is the servo valves, mechanicals, servo valves. You see?
Yep.
Those are the lines, and this is the actuator, the ram. If the fluid enter here, what happened? If the fluid enter here, and this one is the return, no? How I enter the fluid here? Here. How I enter the fluid here? Here. In this case, the pump is hydraulic, because here internally I have a hydraulic pump, and that hydraulic pump, the input is my hand. The input is my hand. Look at the comparison between this and that one hard. What is better?
That one.
For that reason the people prefer today hydraulic. But now, in this moment, because the motor is out of the water, is too soft. If I put the motor on the water and I install not only one motor, 3 motors, is soft? It's a little hard. I need a little force. Okay, but it's good. This is completely hydraulic, completely hydraulic. Hydraulic mechanic. That one is full mechanic. Anybody follow me? Pay attention to this. You remember the typical hydraulic system in the outboard that I showed a couple of minutes ago? It's this. It's exactly this with 2 lines, one for the starboard side, other for port side. But in that example, I enter directly this and this here and here. You remember? In that example, I don't have this and I don't have this. You remember that example? This is the typical dinghy boat with the outboard over there and the helm here. The fluid goes directly into the ram. I recommend cut it this line and insert this element. What is this? The reservoir. Okay, this is the #1 element that I added in the system. However, the captain said, okay, it's hydraulic, Mr. Lopez, this pump is good, it's working good, but I want more soft because it's a little hard. Okay, I am going to install this pump here in series to add it more, to multiply the pressure of the fluid. What is the name of that pump? Mechanical power assisted unit. Mechanical because the input is with valve. In your boat, the recommendation is, I want to install other extra pump. I have this pump. I want to add other pump here. Electrical. With power coming from the batteries. And now, when I activate this pump here with the switch, not connected, here with the switch, I added to this pressure other extra pressure. And what happened with the movement of the cylinder? Oh wow, is too soft. What is the name of that system, that element? Power assisted unit, electrical power assisted unit. Look at this element. You remember that element in your car? What is this?
It's your pump, your system.
It's the hydraulic power assisted unit. Look, I have my car. This is my traditional car. And this element have the reservoir and the pump in the bottom. Reservoir here and pump in the bottom. Is clear? Reservoir of oil and pump in the middle. And the input is the valve. The input is mechanical with your hand. You understand? But you convert that input, you multiply the force if you install the output of fuel, and this is the return. Output of fuel and return. Fluid. Okay, look at this. In this moment, I can move the wheels, but is hard. If I start the engine, you see, this is the gasoline engine. This is the carburetor. I replace the gas or diesel engine for this electric motor. Okay? If I start the electric motor, gas or diesel engine, I move the pump. And the pump introduce extra fluid in the system with more pressure. And what happened immediately? Is because that pump, you remember that sound in your car? You see?
Yeah.
Nice.